Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. I have made it to the highest level as of yet for me, and that is Silver 1. The next level is Gold 3. I couldn't be more pumped, and I still got 4 days left to get gold. The problem I'm going to run into is my power. Uh, I've pretty much pulled all my rentals out to get up to this high of power, which is at 80,000. I need 100. I need another 20,000 power, and I'm only going to be able to do that by buying cards or getting them out of packs. So that's gonna be the next hurdle. But as of right now, I just hit Silver 1. So let's go ahead and open up the daily chest rewards, and I should be getting 3 chests, I believe. We'll find out here in a second. 3 or 4. And of course, I went up to 22, I believe. Oh, I'm getting 4 chests now. The Once you get into silver, the prizes get much better, and then gold, and then of course, they just get better and better. But let's go ahead and open these up, see what I get. I got a card. These are reward cards. I got DC crystals. I got 2 cards, and I got a rare. Nice. Okay, so this is done every day. Every 24 hours, you can do a quest, and that's a way that you can build up your asset value and power. So I think these are 5, and that's 20. So I got like 30 more points towards my 100,000. So let's close that up. Let's go open up the daily pack. It's running kind of sluggish today. You get 5 cards per pack, 1 potion per card, for a total of 10. Each card is you got. Let me see what we got here. Ooh, we got 2. If you see that little highlight right there, like the glow, that means it's a rare or better. And these are commons. These can all still be gold. But what a potion does, if you get the legendary potion, that doubles your chance for a legendary card. And if you get the alchemy, it doubles your chance for gold. So each card will use 2 potions, 1 of each. So let's go ahead and open up or flip over the commons. And this guy helped me get to silver today. He's a very powerful card, or I think so anyway. Okay, let's flip over the rares. Now you're guaranteed a rare or better in the each pack. So I got 2 rares. So it's a little bit better of a pack than usual. And these are 3 cards that I use tremendously a lot. And he's a filler more so, the low mana right now. But if you get him up in power, he can get pretty lethal. And he's only 1 mana. Now, what I'm going to do with these cards is I'm going to combine them and burn them and make more powerful and rarer cards. So let's go look at the numbers, and they're not pretty right now because as of last night, it dropped even lower. This is a Splinterlands, a $10,000 challenge. This is not sponsored by Splinterlands. This is just something that I wanted to do on my own. I started this on 2nd of January when I joined, and in February the 7th, I decided to start filming it so that I have a videotape journey of exactly what I did right or wrong. And my goal is to get to $10,000 asset value after paying myself back, because I am sinking in $10 every other day. And that is because I want to buy packs. And I want to do 1 pack a day for the video. Plus, I like to open packs. And plus, you can get good stuff out of packs. So right now, as of today, I've spent $614. I'm going to put in another 10 after the video, because that will count towards tomorrow's numbers, not today. The reason I do it a day early is because I get 600 extra power points towards my SPS drop, which they're dropping for free right now. I'm at day 100. I've opened up 119 packs. 6 of them I bought with accumulated DEC. So anyway, that's what I've invested. And here's where I started recording. And you got the value, the card, number of cards, the PowerPoints, the free SPS they're given, and my profit. And right after I joined, the the markets crashed and they dropped 15 million packs of Chaos Legion. So it's kind of been a double whammy for me on the profit margin. But the one thing that has keep going up, even though everything else was going down, is my power. And it would drop. I'd adjust my strategy. So I'm right now at 84,963. It's been going up over the last few days since I sold that good cards to get that gold summoner. And so as of today, my asset value is $720. I've got 120 cards, 1446 in the box. That means between the 120 cards I've combined 1,446 of them. I've had even more cards than that, but I've sold them. And there's my points. I've got $64 worth of free SPS, which is at 10 cents right now. When I joined, it was at a quarter, and it has an all-time high of 80 cents. So I'm all set up for a springboard-like action when everything shoots back up. And it might be till June with the cards because they still got like 6 million packs left open, 7 million packs. So the market's kind of flooded, plus the crypto's down, etc. Because remember, these are all NFTs. So if I sold everything, paid myself back, I'd walk away with $171 profit plus my 614. I'd get all my money back, and then plus I got this powerful collection that's gotten me into silver. So I even though the profit is like low and not heading in the right direction right now, I feel very good that I still think I can get to 10,000 by the beginning of next year. Now, usually I spend the whole video talking about ways to make money. I do the rewards first and then the pack opening. But I'm trying to keep the video under 10 minutes, and I'm just going to talk about one thing afterwards a day. And today, what I want to talk about is the market. The market is probably the best way. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me on risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join the link below to Splinterlands. Plus, I got other links that I use every day if you wanted to join. But you can join for free, and they give you free cards to play with. You have to pay a $10 entry fee called the spell book, a one-time lifetime payment, and that opens up the entire platform for you, which if you want to make money at it, that's what you got to do. But here's the example is these are the new reward cards. Remember, I got 2 of him just now out of the rewards. And then down below them are probably, some of these are the Chaos Legion cards. They're a little bit more expensive. But where can you buy an NFT right now for 2 cents? Okay, but there's a million of them. And you're like, wow, that's a lot. Well, it's all over the world. 400,000 daily active players. And what are they doing every day? They're buying these cards, they're getting them in chest, and they're burning them, and there's less and less. And once they retire them, which is coming up, they're about to retire these. They just retired. Let's just go look at all rewards and get rid of all the other cards. And there's 106 of all time. And you can see right here, these are the last ones they retired at the end of last year, about 4 months ago. And they're down to 281,000, and they're up to 7 cents. So what happens is, and as time goes by, these will get more expensive, more valuable, and more rare. And there's never any more. And I'm going to go destroy some right now. I'm going to go show you how that's done. And then I'm going to prove to you what happens. Here's the free cards you get when you join with the S on it. Everybody has that to play with. And if you like Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon, you'll love this game. I'm telling you, you're going to get the same hookness on it once you start playing it. Okay, so what I'm looking for now, these are all my cards that I own. And I'm looking for a little red flag that will tell me I have multiple. Now, like this one's second level, it's because of combined cards. And on these commons, it takes 400 cards to max out. But let's see. I see where here we go. Like I got one of him today and already had some. He's second level right now. So I got 5 in the box. I'm at second level. I need 9. I'm at 0 to 9 for the next level. So I need 9 more cards to get to third level. So here's one. So I'm going to combine them. And what's happening right now is both of these cards are gone forever, and it's going to be replaced with one new one. If I had done 20 cards at that time, it would burn all 20 of them and replace it with one. See how that works? So now I got 6 in the box, 1, 9, and it just adds the value to it. And now there's 120,000 of these in circulation, 119, and I just took one out of circulation forever. So that number, once this is coming out of the Chaos Legion packs right now, so they're probably about another 100,000 in packs. So once they're all out and nobody's selling any packs except the one people who invested in packs to sit on forever, that number will get less and less and less over time. And we just proved that over here. Let's go look at what the most powerful. Now, the reward cards, remember, you get those for free in the chest every day and at the end of the season. Let's see if we can get back over there. Sometimes I have a hard time getting over to the marketplace. Don't know why, but seems to be one of those things. Okay, here we go. So here we are. We're going to just look at the reward cards. These are the cards that you got for free since the beginning of time, since they started playing 3 years ago. And God, do I wish I was around 3 years ago. So let's go down. There's 106 of them of all time. They're about to retire those ones on the top. They just came out and said that. I don't know what the time frame is, probably within the next month or so. And down below here is, now these are, you can get legendaries, you can get gold legendaries. This one's a legendary, and it's worth right now $102.69. Now that's low. Everything's down from their previous highs, and there's only 2,200 left, and only 28 people willing to sell it. But that gives you an idea of how this system works. So even if you can collect cards right now that are 2 cents, because a couple years ago, when did this come out? Which one is this? Well, it's rewards. So that means it was the earliest one probably. But let's say it was. They were getting it for nothing, just for playing the game. And that's just the legendary foil. Let's go look at the let's look at the best gold you could have gotten for free. And of course, they're very rare. I mean, you're most of the times going to get, now the higher up in level you go, the better your chances come and all that. And I'm on my next video, I'm probably going to show you all the odds on that because I haven't shown that in a while. And like I said, I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. I'm not doing a good job. So let's go look at the gold real quick, legendary gold on the rewards. And there's only been 16 in the history of the game. Okay, the cheapest one right now is $63.92. That's, you can get that today out of the, I could have gotten it this morning. I might get it at the end of the season. And then these are all, let's go look, there's only 16 of them. This one's going for $8,000. There's only 69 left, and there's only 3 people willing to sell it. Let's go look at the stats on how many you need to burn. You need 4 of these. So it's going to cost you 32,000 if they're 8,000 a piece to max it out. And remember, these were cards they were getting for free. And I don't own one, of course. But for sale, you can only buy one at 8,000. The other 2 people obviously don't want to sell it because they're selling it for 420,000 and 7.5 million. So the best you could ever get, but imagine if you had gotten some of these and held on to them. Uh, some people on this game have gotten life-changing wealth from it because then you can sell it for dark energy crystals, and then from there you can cash it out, transfer into any of these wallets. The Hive Engine wallet, Steam Engine wallet, Tron wallet, Ethereum wallet, Binance Smart Chain wallet. And right now, the fees might be high, so um, it's probably good to sit on it until. Uh, Now, Ethereum did announce they're going to be upgrading it, but it's not going to affect the gas prices yet, the upgrade. So anyway, that's all I'm going to talk about for today. So if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Join me every day for the beginning of the video. I open the rewards and I open up a pack, and then I'll talk about something else on the platform instead of doing a 1 hour video explaining everything. And if you got any questions or answers, leave them on the comments below. I love to hear from y'all, and quite a few of y'all have helped me out. And I watch a lot of videos. I'm going to make a list of videos of people I'm watching on a routine basis. Oh, and one more thing. Go join up on Splinterlands TV, Twitch. Just go to twitch.tv, Splinterlands TV, and start following. This is it's a new site that they're making 24/7 videos. And they got just YouTubers like me on there that they just invited to come on there and do a show, and which is a big commitment because you got a time frame. It's like a job, I guess. So you got to be there at a certain time and do a 2 to 4 hour video streaming, but they save them. So, and here's the schedule. You can see when they're on, they're live, but they also save all the video. Like here's the recent broadcasts, and they're just all different people from all over the world. Um, I think the number one country right now is Philippines that play this game, and the United States is number two, to let you know just how popular. And it's the number one play to earn game on the DApp radar. So this is a game. The reason I'm doing it and the reason I'm promoting it is because remember the .com bubble? Everybody's probably old enough to remember that. Maybe not. Maybe not. But anything with .com attached to it, people would buy it. It was so hot, just like the crypto and NFT markets are. But what happened? Only a few companies were around after the real companies, Amazon, Walmart, and probably good about 5% or less of everything that was out there actually was legit or made it. The same thing's going to happen in the crypto and the NFT world. Is the real companies are going to make it, and the other one, most of them aren't, and people are going to lose out a lot of money and time. So you got to make sure that you're, at least you think you're on the right one, because anything can happen. I know it's nothing set in stone. And again, this is not financial advice, but you want to find the ones that you believe in and you think are going to be the survivors, so that you don't lose everything you have into it. And this is one of those sites. Okay. Vivi's another one. Autograph, I think, is Terra Virtue. I've found about 9 that I believe are tops. So a lot of the sports ones, I believe they got the IP. Now this one is a new IP. It's not like it's Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon. Now, are they going to compete against those two one day? Absolutely. There's no way Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon aren't going to get in on this. But the question is their team going to be as good as this team? And even if they are, I don't care, because guess what? I played Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon. So that means I'll play all three, because I think all three will be winners. And this one definitely is. And the more you hang out on this site, the more you're going to love it. Trust me. It gets better and better and better the more I learn about it. And this is going to be what I call one of the winner sites. This is going to be the Amazon and the Walmart of card game sites. Okay. And anyway, I'm rambling. I got to go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.